Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon-wrapped jalapenos. Trim stems and halve peppers, then remove seeds and membranes for milder heat. Stuff each pepper with cheese or filling of your choice, wrap with bacon, and secure with a toothpick. Arrange on a baking sheet or grill and cook until bacon is crisp and filling is warm. Serve hot and enjoy the sweet, salty, and spicy combination. Start by washing and drying the jalapenos thoroughly, then slice them in half lengthwise and remove seeds and membranes if you prefer milder heat. Carefully stuff each half with cream cheese, cheddar, or a seasoned filling to balance spice. Pack the filling snugly to prevent leaking during cooking. Once stuffed, wrap each pepper half with a strip of bacon and secure it with a toothpick before cooking. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup simple after a messy cookout, with voice control and smart mapping that takes a load off your plate. It glides under furniture and picks up crumbs so you can relax sooner. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For reliable results, bake bacon-wrapped jalapenos at 400 degrees F for 20 to 25 minutes on a wire rack so excess fat drains away and bacon crisps evenly. If using a grill, cook over medium heat and rotate frequently for uniform char. For extra browning, finish briefly under a broiler, watching carefully to prevent burning. Let them rest a few minutes before serving to avoid molten cheese burns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.